All right, let's sing a happy love song. What do you say?
Yay!
You guys into that kind of thing? We're getting close to Valentine's Day. This is with all my songs, it's like hidden meaning. Like it's a happy love song, but when you're with somebody long enough, you kind of figure out that everything is going to do this number. And I think that what makes it last is when you figure out how to batten down the hatches and climb back up. And God bless the saint that married me, because Lord knows she should have taken off a long time ago. But she taught me the true word of forgiveness. She taught me what it really means to be in love. And so this one goes out to her. This one's called "All I'm Ever Gonna Do Is Love You." In my mind, I'm watching old reruns of me and you. Oh, this winter, the rebirth of spring, and the flowers that bloom. We've had the best highlights to the darkest shade of night. Are we still who we were, or is the best of us still yet to come? And no matter how hard you try to push me away, oh, there's nothing that you can do. Because all I'm ever gonna do is love. Skipping rocks, I roll my fingers through your locks. It's the little things that I hold dear, to remind my heart when the storm's raging hard that you were meant for me. No matter how hard you try, push me away, oh, there's nothing that you can do. The one on fresh coat of paint. It's never too late to make an old love look brand new. Well, all the years can be hard, but forgiveness heals those scars. Giving up's just not what we do. No matter how hard you try, push me away.